guys. It's the weekend. How exciting. And my hair is always not exciting. Anyways, right now I am going to clean up my room before I go out of town because I'm going on a road trip with Sam to go see Jessica and have some fun this weekend. Because I haven't been out of town ever since, like, I don't even know when was the last time. I want to say it was Paris, but I don't think it was. Anyways, yeah, busy day today. I went to Jimmy John's already, and now I'm about to go to Tyler Dobb, but I need to clean up. And I think the best part about going out of town is coming home and then seeing your room all made. So I'm gonna do it right now before I go, and yeah, should be exciting, I guess. I just want to get it done because, you know, like, you go out of town, you're like, oh, I'm finally home, and then you see your room and you're like, I'm so glad I made it now and not later. So I encourage you guys to go ahead and make your room whenever you leave. But yeah, I have all this stuff to fold before I go. Ugh. This is my blanket. This is my favorite blanket. I will die with this blanket. It's like so versatile. Like, it looks so thin, but it keeps you hot and cold. It keeps you whatever temperature you want, pretty much. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed and then leave the house and go to Tyler Dobb. And maybe get some coffee, just because tonight we're gonna be leaving Tyler Dobb around like 9:30, 10-ish. So we won't get to Dallas, Fort Worth until like, I don't know, 12 or 1 a.m. It's ridiculous. Anyways, yeah, this is what I'm currently doing. Okay, let's fast forward. She's really sleeping hard.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Jessica! Oh, what a sleepy! What a sleepy! What a sleepy baby! She's cranky! Sam's here! What's going on over here? Where's Lee? Oh. Is that? Where's Lee? Hi! Where's Lee? What is Lee? Oh, missed you. What are you playing? No. She's so drunk. No, you always want to dance. Yeah. Yeah, for Instagram. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can pack you up. What? You want me to pack you up in my suitcase? That's a dude? You know. Was that the one we came out of? Lee, is this really your first time being downtown Dallas? Don't record. So embarrassing. You lived here all your life and this is your first time. With us. With us.
No, because it's too far.
Oh, okay, okay.
My big ass ring.
That's mean.
It's love.
Is it? Is it really? She already called that one. Okay, we're downtown Dallas right now. We're going to a burger joint. And then after we're going to the aquarium. Are you excited, Lee?
Actually, now wow, it feels so good.
It does. It's perfect. I gotta pee so bad. I'm gonna get a tattoo.
This guy
Lee, you want one? What? He has a tattoo? And he's your age?
No, he's in 8th grade.
Oh, okay. That's still pretty close to your age. Guys, it's Wally. There's just a bunch of junk over here. Take a picture. For your, oh God, I almost tripped. I almost broke my ankle in the Chacos. You know, Dylan always yells at me for wearing Chacos. This is like my first time vlogging in a while and actually being like comfortable with it.
I don't know, I think we passed it, guys.
I knew it! I feel like it's right there.
Try my watermelon sweet tea.
What? Watermelon sweet tea?
Where's Elise today?
It doesn't matter. Oh, that's good. Alright, this is where we are. And this is our name. Where's our name?
We're Halle Berry.
Oh yeah. Halle Berry.
Storm from X-Men.
What the?
Oh, 7 minutes, guys. Close back. So we don't have to hurry unless y'all are like really in there.
No, we're here for fun.
Take our time.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like there's penguins, there's alligators, there's everything.
This is gonna be so fun.
There's a whole like bird part of the like it's like separated. Yeah, it's like a whole like we'll walk through it. It's awesome.
Probably on a field trip.
You're 12, right?
I've got an order for a girl that totally missed her chance on being with me, Halle Berry.
We're just like handing out burgers. Look at mine with guac on it.
You don't need napkins?
Yeah, of course we do. It's gonna get messy. There's goat cheese on hers.
Austin Powers.
That's prosciutto. Or
It's like bacon.
yeah, it's prosciutto. Ah, I know my stuff. If only Dad was here.
Only just 2 so we can share.
What kind of piece of lettuce? Like the tiniest. Oh, okay.
How that works. Like,
I'm about to bite into this.
yeah, you can eat.
Dang, this is what's up. It's not the ATX, but it's pretty dang awesome. All right, now we're going to the aquarium after eating those really good burgers. Hey, you stole my spot. Okay, fine, I'll go in good side. Oh, okay, okay. Lee misses Dylan. Tell him to his face. Tell him to his face.
I was doing figures.
Aww.
This one thought it.
You thought it?
No, I said this one.
They're trying to find gum because they ate onions. Sugar. Yes, please.
Did your mom like it?
Huh?
My mom like I know, I freaking.
What the? Lee, you have a lot of leg hair.
I know who.
What? He's a man now.
I already got some right here too.
Let me see. Let me see that.
No.
Armpit hair.
No.
You. It's not even like pubic hair. It's armpit. Okay, show me. After you put the.
No.
No, just lift it up. Just reach for that. Okay, I want to see. Oh my gosh, he has a lot. Like Dylan is so hairless, and you're like super hairy. This is the sickest billboard ever. I love it.
She's on iPhone.
All right, do your dance, Lee. He's been doing it for like 5 minutes. I make him do it often. He's so good at it though. I'm gonna laugh at this footage forever. Ah, we're gonna die.
I know, walking so slow.
Gosh, driving downtown is such a pain in the butt.
Hey, yo, pull up.
Hey, at
I
least
need some
How tall that is.
better than driving downtown often.
Look at that building. That's so cool. We made it to the aquarium and we gotta pay for another parking spot. Life. That's so awesome. Look at these buildings. As a kid, I was always into architecture. I don't know if I ever told you guys that, but I used to draw like floor plans and like try to design houses for my family to move into and, you know, create houses and stuff, but it never happened because I stopped, you know, doing it. But I don't know, I still admire buildings. I don't know. City life is amazing. This finna be so fun. Lee's been here before. Did you like it that one time you came? Was it cool?
It's alright.
It's alright. We're about to pay 20 bucks to get in here each.
It's okay, but it's not.
It's not worth it? I'm gonna be really bummed out.
I came here and then the bird, you know, the bird
Yeah.
was flying.
They pooped on you?
Yep.
I knew it. How did I know?
All my friends laughing at me.
I would too.
They want to do.
Cold. Someone should get baptized there. Abby.
Meet
Yeah.
here.
Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Hi.
Toucan Sam.
That's what it is. Toucan. Oh, it's gonna bother. Yeah, it's gonna bother me. Oh, I didn't even notice it.
He's chilling.
I was like trying to find something in the water.
We've got grandma's hair. Hi. Yo, that was trying to get you.
It looks like a giant Ponyo. Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh. It's so fat.
A buddy. Ew, it's kind of creepy. Hey, it makes me think of that bird on
Vampire Diaries?
no that movie something. Important Here's a Who. Where that's like the big black one. No, I don't get it.
I wish it would face this way.
Nothing. It's humongous. It's a stork.
Ah, it's the one that carries the babies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Penguins. All right, let's keep it moving. Up the stairs we go.
Oh, she just takes the elevator.
It is not that bad.
Don't make her.
Oh, I forgot that that Lee needs to take a number 3. He told us. That's a little present. It's on his body. He got poop. Turn around. He's embarrassed.
Don't shower, bro. I bet his homie pooped on him.
Wow.
I'm gonna grab my phone in the water again. Guys, we need a pic though. Like
Yeah.
a group pic. We
Yeah.
ask somebody to take it for us.
An actual anteater! It's so giant! Oh my gosh, come back! Come back! That is...
He's scratching himself.
There's a sloth over here! Oh my gosh. A legitimate sloth. Is there just one? Dang! It's a sloth! It's butthole!
He's tired AF.
He's so sleepy. Okay, we'll keep it moving then.
Right here.
They're so fast. Oh, he's going back. He's gonna scream out again. Dude, that is a big snake. That's so frightening. Where's its head? What the heck? Yeah. They look so pissed.
They eat a worm.
There's so many. Oh, it's
Check it out. Watch it. Right there. It's just stuck on the wall.
He's that crazy thing that had a
What the heck?
That's so weird.
Back here.
I know. I love manatees. There's a giant manatee.
You Dallas?
You're a jerk. I can't believe Lee said it was my spirit animal. Messed up, man.
I think penguin is my spirit animal because they're clumsy.
Playful.
They're clumsy too. They always fall down. That's me right there.
Look at its face.
Wow, it is your spirit animal.
It hates
It's
its
just
life.
chilling, like it's so lazy, like you. It won't, I probably won't move for hours like you that one day with pajamas on. We're in the tunnel of fish. Go back that way for now, and then we'll come back this way because this is different than this section.
That's cool.
Is that spider?
That's good dinner right there. It's spider crab.
It is?
Oh, imagine that on your dinner plate with some butter. That's some good stuff. Oh, they look like boogers. like moving boogers. Sri Lanka. New Guinea.
Look at Nemo and the anemone. They're in the anemone.
Does that mean Finding Nemo takes place in New Guinea?
They
Seahorses.
swim down.
Oh.
The up is their butt.
Yeah.
Australia's over there. South Australia.
What? There's nothing in here. Oh, there's a seahorse. That one's pregnant. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
It probably is.
Who's a baby daddy? Jellyfish. They're so cool. Look at this little baby one.
I'm gonna name you my little squishy. Ow, bad squishy.
That's really good, Jessica.
It's a deal.
Oh, that's fish.
You know its mouth is right there.
Eat it. Oh, he can't get it.
Oh, he tried. Help him.
Hey, get your oyster and take this right here. Okay. This one's right. I know it's chilling. It's so funny.
Look at that one. I think it's dead.
Got it. And I got some popsicles.
Chocolate peanut butter.
I might get that.
Avocado. Banana.
Oh, there's a coffee. I'm getting coffee. Coffee brownie. Nice. What? Oh, dang, there's a line now. Show us your selfies. Wait, what flavor did you get?
Chocolate peanut butter.
I got coffee brownie. Lee got vanilla chocolate chip. And Sam got avocado that tastes like lime. It tastes like already. Okay, now wait. There. Oh, sorry. It says record on there. That means it's recording.
Nice overcook. I messed up. Something.
Just keep it like that. I can edit it.
Alright. Hi guys.
Why are you facing it down like that? Hold it up.
Why not?
Lee cam. You guys are like this. Here we go.
Hi,
Lee
guys.
cam. Alright, tell them where we are.
You're at the mall now.
Okay. What are you buying?
You're just walking, looking around.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, I think I ate my water while in the car.
Okay. I'm trying to find something.
Oh, okay.
And I got
He.
pee.
Oh.
Look at my thing going on here. It's my wallet, my phone, and oil clip all in one.
Okay.
Smart.
We got a long walk to do. Let me grab one of these directories.
We
on,
going
guys.
on
Wait,
trip
face it.
in a spirit.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the mall. Let's go to the mall. Let's go to the mall. Check out this one shop, guys. Indoor surfing. Dude, that's so cool. That's so cool. Dang. That's a pretty cool store. An actual surfing thing in a mall. They actually have a Lush here. This is so cool. I'm gonna buy a bath bomb or something. Dude, space one. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, okay, sorry.